Hey guys, Aladar here from Disney's Animal Kingdom. Just a little update. Much of Thailand, USA will be going extinct. That's Justin Hester's Gaorama being replaced by Tropical Americas. But there's a 50-50 chance that my ride, Dinosaur, might still be there. So if you plan to visit Disney's Animal Kingdom whenever you can. And be sure to check up every time you go right at the Tree of Life after the entrance or south from Asia. And my ride's still around, be sure to come back to rescue me from an asteroid anytime. But Down Institute HQ who gets removed by then. Well, it's been a good 25 years as of this video. But until then, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Be well and stay prehistoric. This is Aladar the Iguanodon visiting TGP Inc. So yeah, I hope to see you then if I'm still around. This is Aladar signing off.